Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Liz, your official craft nerd, and it's been a while since I have done a with you video, I guess I should say. But I just wanted to do a real quick haul video. I haven't done one in a while, and I was excited to finally get out and find some new Valentine stuff because, of course, as you know, most stores are already putting their Valentine's Day stuff out, as well as Easter. Now, my store, the local store for me, did not have Easter yet. Thank goodness. I'm not ready for that. But they did have some really cute Valentine's Day stuff. And so I know that it's just an oath of shopping at Dollar Tree. If you see it now, you better buy it because you probably won't see it next week. I mean, it's as simple as that. So let me just go through this real quick, show you some of the things that I found, hoping to get out again this weekend to a different store too, to see if they have anything else and some things that I've been seeing other people get that I have not found yet. So stay tuned for that as well. But first up, this was something new that I haven't seen. This was a first for me, but these are, maybe if I can get the light to look right, except just on me. They are DIY rock painting kits. So it's like they had a few different designs. This one I thought was really pretty. It had all the floral on it. And then this one, because it says you rock, I really like that one. So I thought these are cool. My daughter is into painting rocks and things like that. So if anything, these are cute little kits for the kids. My kiddo is going to enjoy it. Also, in that same area, I was able to find a couple of newer things that I don't think I saw these last year. They're just two-piece decor sets with the little wooden hearts. So they had that and that one as well. They had a few. I grabbed this one because, of course, this one was a black heart, so duh. But, and then these. So I figured these are really cool for little DIY projects, whatever you want to do with them. But these were, I don't believe I saw these last year, and if they were out and I didn't see them, that's fine with me. That happens all the time. They also had these, and these are a little bit thicker, just little wooden decor pieces as well. And it just says "You are my person," which I think is super adorable. But yeah, these will be, again, these are another thing for DIY projects. I rarely keep anything as is that I buy from Dollar Tree, so that's what these are for. Let me see. I try to have this organized. Girl, look at this. The light makes me go ghost-like for a second. I did find some signs, which this year I was really excited because I think these had these last year. My store, I couldn't find them. Didn't matter how many different stores I went to, but they had the wooden plank like hearts, which I just thought were really cute. Saves me the trouble from making them myself out of just the regular signs. So I got a few of those. And then they also had these ones, which I believe these ones are new. And they had the little galvanized metal heart on there, which again would probably be something I tear off and redo with something else. But these were pretty cute, so I got some of those. Then I did also snag up a couple of these because I've seen these were new that came out, which are these really cute home signs. Family is the heart of our home, which I think is pretty adorable. You know, I've thought about maybe just keeping one as is, maybe snazzing it up a little bit more. But you know me, I also bought one just in case I do something else with it. So, and then of course I did grab more of the long signs, but I snagged these up because I end up using them for other signs and wall pieces. I try not to go overboard I think I got enough to make 2 decent signs. I'm just knocking stuff over, so whatever. But they had different ones. I didn't see the ones that say home. I know some of them have them already that say home, but I just saw this one, and then they have another one that has like a burlap heart. So, but again, I'm trying to simplify how much stuff I buy at one time. I have this kind of Noah's Ark mentality where I have to buy everything in 2s, and sometimes 4s. Like, it's always like even numbers. Like, I won't just buy like 3 of something. I think that doesn't make sense. Like, I buy 2 or 4, 6, 8, whatever. But I always call it my Noah's Ark mentality because I never just buy 1. So I don't know if that's the hoarder in me or what it is, but I try to simplify. I'm really trying to simplify that, so I'm not overspending and buying a bunch of supplies that I don't use up as fast as I would like to, because y'all, I have so much stuff. And it's nothing to brag about. It's literally just, it's chaos right now in this tiny, tiny little area that I have to work in. So I'm hoping to have some kind of an organizational video put up soon once I can actually get my butt in gear and get things organized in here. But I've ordered and purchased a bunch of different little bins and things that I can put stuff away in, and I'm kind of halfway there because Dollar Tree has some great little organizational bins, but there's still a long way to go, you guys. It is crazy. So back to the stuff. I did pick up some cards. Now they always, oh, there I go again. They always have like really cute Valentine's Day cards. And I got one from my husband, which I won't show that one because on the off chance he actually watches these things. But I got this one just because I thought the front of that was really cute. And I feel like that'd make a really cute little sign or something, a little decor piece. So I grabbed that. My daughter got us cards, which I'm realizing she has a habit of buying cards, but then she forgets the envelopes, and I never pay attention. So anyway, these are mommy and daddy cards that I'm not supposed to see, but they're in my stuff. So they also had, they always bring these back, which I am a sucker for them. I still have some, I think, from last year, but they always get used. So they have the little wooden hearts with the arrows through them. They've actually raised it from only having 5 pieces to 8 now, which is pretty cool. That awesome even number that I love. And they did it for all of them, actually, which is pretty awesome. So I did get just some of the regular ones that say love. You can't see that because my light's being stupid. Okay, so those ones say love, and then the other ones, oh, okay. Well, I guess I just got the ones that say love. Now, they had some that said, I think, Happy Valentine's Day or something on them. So, but I just wanted the plain ones because I never really care what it says on there. I just use them for what I want. What I also thought was cool, they had these little mini wooden plaques that were in the heart shape. I've not seen these before, so I did grab some of those. Also in their Valentine's Day section, they had these little craft bottles. Now, I know they come out with craft bottles all the time. They have them normally anyway, but I bought these because I like the cap. I like that little rose gold, and I'm trying to really figure out what I want to do with these, but I love this color, and so I kept thinking, what can I do with this? So I don't know, I may end up going back trying to find more of these, but I'm not going to do it until I know what I want to do it, or know what I want to, what am I trying to say? I'm not going to do it until I have an exact plan of what I would use these for. Yeah, story of my life, but I doubt that'll happen. They had these, which I thought were really cute. Just a little tree on there, and it just said love. And I'm always buying like glass containers and vases or whatever, and I actually put some back because they had some new ones in different shapes, and I'm like, I have no room for all of these glass vases. I don't even have enough floral pieces or things to put in them to put them out. So I stopped myself, and I only got 2 of these because I just think they're so cute. And then they had some of this stuff. Now they have like gifts and everything, like they had makeup and candy and all that other stuff in that area. But they have these cute little macaroon looking lip glosses or whatever. And so I got this one because it was mint, and then this one was berry. But I thought they were cute because they look like macaroons. But also I'm a sucker for like lip glosses and lipsticks, obviously. They had these bins too, so I got two. Don't be surprised, I always get two of these plastic bins. Now whether or not they stay like this, I don't know, but I just figured might as well, they're good to have on hand just in case. So they also had these little like jewelry trinket cases, which I thought these were super pretty because they have the gold lining and then they were white, but they had them in all different colors. They had them in their pinks, like pastel blues, pinks, whatever. My daughter got one that was blue, so very, very cute. And then they had these little jars. Now these I did find back in the candle section, so but they had a bunch of different colors and then little tags, but I like these little ones with the wooden loves on them because, you know, every now and then I try to be a little girly, glammy, whatever, though right now I'm kind of like half and half because I need to do my hair and I need to do a lot of things, but I have been very, very busy with work, working a day job, as well as trying to get things organized around the house. I'm getting ready to take all the Christmas things down and start redecorating, and I have a lot of things lined up as far as new content coming up, some ideas that I have, so I'm busy, y'all. So as well as working on self-care and really trying to focus on my health this year and becoming a better me, I guess. So I won't be so camera shy and not want to hide behind it all the time. But you guys, if you stuck around this long, I definitely appreciate it. I love y'all, my new subscribers. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Please do not be afraid. I am definitely appreciative to everybody that has been coming over to the channel, they've been checking out my work and getting inspired, and really, you guys, this is why I do what I do. And you know, it's been a therapy for me, especially for 2020, and I hope that, you know, even some of the little things that I do, that it sparks something in you that makes you want to create or just have some kind of an outlet to, you know, just feel good and be happy. And of course, these little shopping hauls, which I've said it before, but I'm kind of addicted to seeing what other people buy myself. So I definitely like to try to share when I go and spend stupid money at Dollar Tree, which happens more than I'd like to admit. But anyway, guys, again, I appreciate it. If you're new here, I definitely hope you stick around. I definitely hope you hit that subscribe button, and please hit that notification bell so you can see anytime I upload something new. And of course, if you don't already, follow me on Insta. Most of you should know, but my original Insta page was hacked. And unfortunately, Facebook, Insta are not being helpful to retrieve it for me. And so it got to the point of I just had to start over. So I am under official craft nerd, minus the. But if you would please just, you know, come visit me over there too. I try to post there weekly as well. And I would love to see you guys, and I would love you all to be a part of my nerdy family. So yeah, that's it, guys. I will hopefully see y'all again soon. Take care and stay safe.